Hey, what's up, Kisho inu holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Kisho inu. Guys, in this video, I'm talking about the currently price changes occur in the Kisho inu. Let me show you. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Now, guys, you know what? In the August, the price changes is positive, but now the latest situation of the Kisho inu is going wrong. But yesterday the price again pumped, so a lot of people are wake up in the market and they understand that Kishun is about to make a huge move. Let's see, my friends, that is they continue this move for a long term or not. But guys, click the subscribe button now for more updates in news videos about cryptocurrencies market. The currently price of Kishun in the market is 0.000001 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Kishun in the market. Other side, if you look the chain is, so you can see here last 1 hour chain is negative, last 1 day chain is positive, and last 1 week chain is again negative. Only, guys, the yesterday chain is positive. So let me show you the price chart of the Kishono. Really, guys, really appreciate. Kishono is about to make a huge move now. You know what? In the previous time, the price falls down, so now in this time they have to take a jump. After falls, there is a jump. So, guys, possibilities that they continue this jump for a long time. That's why I recommend for all of you to invest now in the Kishono, because a huge pump of the Kishono are coming soon. So get ready. Get ready for a huge pump. Anyways, guys, just tell me in the comment box what is your prediction. You can see the positive 19%. The price change is positive in the last 1 month. Anyways, tell me your opinion about Kisho in the comment box. What you think? What is your prediction? And how do you feel today about Kisho? Good or bad? I'm feeling good. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.